What's up? What's up? I see say the reason I say 10 minutes said be say wait 10 minutes have no child. Make I tell when a music industry something. As this Grammy thing come, everybody they talk and artists they do this and our big so-called the artists. I watch Could You Shed right now. Nonsense things they talk. Nonsense things Could You Shed. Could You Shed what they talk. Me, I dey like you, I dey watch your program, but I see what they talk. It be nonsense to the extent say make you understand one thing. You understand me? We all did this industry inside. Where you people all fuck them up. You they do program yawa of the day. So how can we Ghana artists produce something better for you? With the industry, people they come Makoko. See, all those people they did radio and things, they for no say they disgrace themselves. All those people they did radio, they did everywhere, anything for Ghana. You put disgrace us, cause one, you put you not achieve anything. Me, by God's grace, me achieve something. That's why they tell people say me I graduate for the music inside. You understand me? Right now the music we do, it be Jay-Z type of music. We they drop music one drop am. We know they watch no fucking something industry they talk about. You understand me? It's full of bullshit. Like my nigga, like nigga, then somebody goes, and you know they travel, and you people know they go. Cause I know who an artist be. You know who an artist be? Artists in each structures. Cause yeah, like you go buy foundation, then you know build pillar, then you say you build house. Your house go fall. It be so Ghana from titi from Charlie make I talk my make I talk my mind and feel free from titi Konimo just they play guitar. Konimo he play guitar. Oh the guy play Charlie guy play guitar. Charlie guy be tap oh Charlie guy play. Konimo today Konimo nobody do so anything for Konimo. We know they even celebrate Konimo. Nigeria they celebrate I say fella magafu. Nigeria they celebrate fella. Nigeria they celebrate fella. You get program, they do yawa of the day. We get pandits, they do video program. Then Ghana presenter is still another bash in own Ghana artists saying music do it. But if the music be simple, do one. Because if it's a music do, it be ABCD or 1, 2, 3. It be brain cracking. You can start you can the boss, my nigga. The boss, my nigga, no. You don't encourage them, they boss, my nigga. If it's a boss, my nigga, they take a Grammy. I want me to try back. So, Ghana, sometimes if I think and I say, that's why when a music industry, like sense no day there. Plenty Ghanaians, the way they get sense, where they go feed create things, they go feed do things. But sense, you know they want a music industry. I don't go lie you. Bad man. All the people where they go, he said, as this matter happened, the only thing I see be ask them where go congratulate with somebody, that one it be normal thing. But see, no Ghana artist go fit voice because you know what? They hung. You see when you get money, this thing's not be problem for you. This thing's not be problem for you, bad man. If you work hard, where you achieve something, bad man be 5 fucking houses man own for East Legon. You know be plating, my nigga. You know be plating, my nigga. Be 5 fucking houses man own for East Legon. You know be plating, my nigga. Don't make nobody take this thing like it be. See, me, my Grammys be my properties. Because this industry we did, there is no way that they will help push an artist to go Grammys. Because I want to foolish programs they do for TV. I mean, if you watch YouTube and see they criticize artists, they talk something about artists, and artists do something. Anything on something. Everybody say then we brutalize the thing on cam. Oh, content. Hey, mama me chamuwati. Hey, Shatawale, I swear, I no go miss words. Hey, sometimes they pay me. Say I mean, they don't bomb me with mama chain. Mama come me mama chain totally sani amano. Hey, Jimmy, I swear everything, my nigga. You probably not plan your life. Nobody for this industry ever plan in life for this industry. Nobody apart from Shatawale. If you're quite difficult. If you're see nonsense.
Everything they want it for free.
See.
And when you are coming now, you react to their song, you publish. I have a website, I publish stories, you tag them, they ignore. They want to go and share the one that the federal has
some common guy. We I don't know which music school you go. You go fit talk about artists. You go fit talk about artists like he buy supporter for the artists. Like if he way if the artist the shit, he be the clean ass. How will Gofi take this attitude enter Grammys? Are we okay? Are we okay? Are we okay? Burna Boy did it. They smoke weed and sense. They smoke weed. Make sure that me make a smoke weed. Small, make some. My Saturday so she we now. Yeah, Jimmy, oh, Charlie, yeah, Jimmy. I tell you, yeah, Jimmy. I tell you, trust me. I tell you, yeah, Jimmy. Bad man. Yeah, Jimmy, me and I make a chairman. Person bet you see the way it is. Yeah, Jimmy, Charlie. Trust me. It's very sad. You understand me? It's very sad for, you know, this music industry we dey in Ghana. Hey, fans, make you know they listen some foolish radio presenter and talk say, cause yes, they talk right now, Stonebwoy the America. Stonebwoy the America. You awesome. Which Ghana people where they push up say, no, yeah, no, Stonebwoy. Nigga they travel. Make the fans say they fit do that with Stonebwoy like traveling. But it no be so. The people for one industry inside, they no get sense. And I no go miss words. Sense, they no get them. Bad man. You can't get there, you can't talk, say, and our artists, they do this, and our artists, no, they do this. And bad man, every artist need a record label. Burna Boy them in the same for them, and the video them, if you say, they don't get labels. If you say, yeah, and something, and it be not normal thing. Bad man, my guy, I can tell you something. I mean, if I play show, I get money, I go take my house. I no go do that nonsense thing that they go cut video 50,000, 35,000. I no go do that. I go Nima, cut my video for them. After all, my Beyonce things or that cut nonsense video. If it's a nonsense way that people take. People you try, you come do if you say your eye open past somebody. You know, say me free and Saturday in the way they move, Charlie, my houses, we find, you find past people that my dream house. Me, my houses. You find past people in my dream house. I can tell you something. Sometimes you put the food too much. If you say people they like you, boy, you did that way, you no get it. You could you did the YouTube there. You did do that. If YouTube not give you $2, $3, you go enter. The thing we are the watch your views and things. How much money they make? How much money where you could you shed in the make? But you go fit talk somebody billionaire like me, Shatawale. You go fit talk Mamata like I be nobody. Could you shedding? Man, go fit watch your parents. No be you, your parents. Because you fool. You understand me? At this age, where you go fit do program, the hour of the day. When will we get there? When they do program where they give them yawa of the day, yawa. The whole industry. You couch program for yourself, yawa. So anything will be good. You can't do program about it. Anything will be positive. You can't talk about it. And it's one the Dusty and those people, those Charlie, make I tell you people something. Me I tell you people something. You see Ghana, the music industry with they. If they don't listen me, I swear. Makam, you go make like Confanachi take inside work ground when nobody go come out. Makam, it be nonsense, my nigga. It be nonsense. But the artists, they know who can't talk for them. I don't mind. It be poverty where they kill people. Me I get more. See, my brother the way you know be smart thing, bad man. My brother the way you be smart thing. If you do that, somebody got to say, "No, yeah, baby, me yeah, baby, I'm a utu mo akikao. Me yeah, baby, I'm a wakuma kra acting." Because nyama yeah no. Ghana artists be pray, but we have hype. Oh no, this guy Charlie, this guy the force. So this guy, the winner they promote something where no say that thing no go fit move we because of hatred. Bad man, make I tell you something. The whole Ghana, I be the only international artist where Ghanaians get. Not be the Ghana, fuck Ghana music industry. I say Ghanaians, and Ghanaians love Shatawale for me. Anybody where is making mind like, he get negative mind. Then me and that person get problem for this music industry inside. I'm not gonna lie you. Ghanaians don't do like that. Ghanaians don't do like that. Shit is like crazy, my nigga. Them artists to you, they sit down there, they talk, and we know they travel, we know they move. Then Ghana artists, there, Charlie, you people, you know be anything, you understand me, but you just spoil my business. That's why you do the feed mention on him like that. They spoil me my business. Because people don't know what you are about. You did some stupid people, they did radio top, they talk about you. Nobody go come out and say, hey, wait, Jimmy, Why? They know the money where they want to pocket. Hey, me minko show. Eh. Minko show. Na me tough ye. Na me be jia broche me Jimmy Papa. Na me neither. Me drink idea no. Let's reason up. Let's think deep. I'm not gonna lie you, bad man. I'm not gonna lie you. Shit is crazy. I'm not gonna lie you. It's just too much. You understand me? It's just too much. Nigga, come. I will knock some. It be bad. It be bad to the extent say we just know the fit think well for one ourselves. How you go fit sit and talk say Ghana team you bon kwasa you bon kwasa na dia we no enye kwasa we ya wa de no enye kwasa sem some radio program some enye kwasa sem some nyama na enye kwasa sem. You're not even helping the government to improve. You are not helping the government to improve. Because the government they try. You wake up and say creative arts. Some nonsense things, Charlie. Me not be creative arts, buy me fight. But man, fuck it. I tell you something. Me nobody make it. You don't be the music industry. Because the system is not working. The system is not fucking working. So me anybody way you come tell me say the music and the system help you. The system never fucking helps Shatawali. The system never fucking helped me. I fucking saved my money. My dad grew me up very well. So I knew how to save. So I saved. So when I was doing business, I told myself I'm going to save. And I saved. Make nobody come play with this job way we they do. If they go insult Ghana musician. Otherwise, maybe, Charlie, you see me, yes, say sometimes man they hold heart. And I say man they hold heart. Because you see, the way the thing go, man they hold heart. But you see why now? The thing go catch and play. Man go go hold heart again. Man go feel hold heart again. Nigga. Man no go feel hold heart again. Charlie, man be gangster. But man just they try hold the heart. If you go talk musicians for Ghana, exclude me. You go talk and say excluding Shatawali. Because me, when they add Ghana artists to me, they worry my chest. They worry me. Charlie, man be gangster. We not can't do fine boy thing. We can't make money. We can't make cash. We not can't play. We not can't do music for fun and for girls. I got all of the pussies where I go be fuck. Those times where I not be popular, I dey fuck bad pussies. Not be music where I go make I get pussy. I didn't come to music to come do pussy. I came into music to make fucking money. Billions of dollars, my nigga. So make nobody come there. Don't come and talk to Ghana. Cause yeah, as they travel. You know, you put the 50s me. Say, oh, this one they travel. Shut up, I don't like travel. If you say we travel with the thing here, you people are stupid, senseless, an abomination. You are abortion kids and you can't grow. You can't grow. Oh, foolish fucking industry. And if they won't talk, then they talk artists. Cause yeah, you talk Ghana artists and Ghana artists do what? Ghana artists do what? Cause yeah, what's that called? They do hip hop do. What Stonebwoy they do hip hop do? What Jimmy now? What Samini said they do hip hop do? People make Samini said they tire. You raise Samini. At least if Samini said go Grammy for we, I know say me I'll get some future battle where we go fit battle. Where go fit tell me I get Grammy, you know get Grammy. At least nice. Stupid people, nkwasia semu true nkwasia. I'll make a chance say, Ghana artists we do play nkwasia. Hey Charlie, hey. See anybody where get camera, you for start go every fucking person will say be media person in house. You go see the houses that they live in. Charlie, some of you fans you be good though. Some of you the fans, your life good. This one are people who did it. Some of them, nkwasia. Took boom to things that they shit for inside. Then if you come sit right top, the man they won't talk like he bought a circle as before. Because you know how to make fucking money. You know how to use your brain. If you say go school, you know how to use your brain to talk to rich man. Make rich man give you money. Oh yeah, Toto. What's yeah? Got to say somebody shut away. They claim say get money. You get money. You know if you do. Make I can't use my money where I hustle for. Make I can't use and do nonsense speech for people for your mother. Your mother, the money with me, I also myself make I take go chase Grammy. Your mother, they help me. Your mother. Hey, Charlie, if they go add something and they won't add Ghana, me make the me gangster. I don't come do fine boy. No be gangster. I didn't come here for fine boy things. Man is a gangster. I'm telling y'all. Don't make nobody come. They play that kind of foolish games with man. Because artists they do what they watch just say, hey, Charlie, these guys they travel, they go come and say, hey, they industry, they don't see Charlie, the guy they force me, everybody for up and somebody go for this, somebody go for that, somebody go for that, somebody go for that. So they nonsense thing they talk for nonsense, stupid things on they talk for radio. Stupid things. If they don't like you, they don't go talk better about you. If they like you, they go talk nice about you because they feel say, yeah, you be the eye of the thing. So they for do this. All the artists way the industry push them in the eyes of Ghanaians. It's a disgrace. I say, one international name. You know what is international song? They can talk say, yeah, Nkwasianyum. Hey, won't get ready more. Nkwasianyum no happen na ibabe more. More because there is no way until the industry change its mindset. There is no way. Industry where we did. Listen, Akwesi Agbaji, maybe Peace FM. All the things they talk. Problems. They are not talking about solutions. Problems. You could go and just program to problem. Sammy Flex, problem. How can we survive with this? You wake up from a house. You carry problem. They come announce problem. You yourself, you be problem. You be problem. And this boy they talk about, Charlie, they if they can see TV top, one, some of them they sack them for house, they don't feel pay rent. Two, some of them their wife they chop them myself, they don't know how they go fix up the matter. Two, kiddy no fee pays, they don't fee pay kiddy school fees. Also they go inside. Three, like pressure, my guy. But they if you can sit TV top and talk, you see. And it's not, be careful, but woe unto you, where the fool say, you be wise in your own wise. He did the Bible inside, my guy. You could suffer rough. Oh, so, no, you go, somebody goes, you see, food, you go chop, dress, you go wear, oh, you go see TV. Oh, everything where every normal human being they do, you go do one more. But I see that dream where the dream say, I won't buy mansion, I won't buy this car, I won't buy. You will never get it in Jesus' name. You will never receive it in Jesus' name. Because God, you know sleep. God, you know bed. God, you know sleep. You can't talk shit like, man, Ghana artists. Warn to you, be very careful. I swear. If they talk when they come off from inside. Charlie man, the thing of you be deadly. I'm not going to tell you. The thing of you be deadly. I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you no lie. You understand me? Because the way you put on run things, if they talk, if they talk Ghana, I won't be recording my names. Make nobody come put himself around me. When are they talking? Somebody gonna shut away the taxi, get money. But man, make I tell you something. Me as I did this Ghana here, it be I where I take watch things. So. Don't make nobody watch this thing. Make nobody watch my hair. And make nobody watch me and say, I be gangster by birth. I get what I'm saying. But they watch things. Not see me like that. Make nobody see me like that and see me like I can't play. I no can't play. If you ask my father, my mother, they go tell you, me I no can't play. Or if people say, if you say, if you hear per way, I be difficult for. Go ask my father, he go tell you. Go ask, he go tell you. Me I no like nonsense for my life inside that camp. Don't come show me nonsense. If you want to talk about something, talk about Ghana artists, call them my names for. Don't include me, because the money I get, I swear I get them, and I no go do any video for any Ghana person. I swear. Make I do video. The best videos where I go choose with me. Nah, I say it be good for me where I go promote them, make it go, because I know what be world music. I know what be international music. Nobody go show me anything. Because you want to show something. Then that should make you post up that teaching. Man pay school fees finish. Man finish school fees. Nobody has to do. If man do, and man feel say get sense. Touches where they go touch man. I'm not gonna lie. If they can know that thing, could you shout it? I'm telling you once again. I get what I'm saying. If you want a change in this industry, then change that name for your program, Yawa of the Day. Fucking change it. Because if you want Yawa, then we'll give you Yawa. If you want Yawa, we'll give you Yawa. If you want Yawa, we will give you Yawa. I'm not gonna lie you. Mark that thing in your head. Don't come sit, get internet and bundle. If you say you go feel load, then can't talk nonsense like you are talking with your own sense. You know, be you alone did the word. Be plenty people they did the word inside. So let's reason as normal human beings. Don't come there and come to talk some bullshit like that. Don't come there and talk bullshit. I'm not gonna lie you. They also man also for these things I man take catch and everything catch. Then somebody go there and shut and sick and say oh no they be not done no man. Me enjoy me no me enjoy me cutting. Me enjoy me no sisi. Me enjoy me cutting match here mo. I see people say well your eye open past somebody. Don't do that. Don't be stupid. Don't be foolish. Continue shut there the way okasa the okasa. The way amoyo mo niama no sa na make kasa to ache mo. Because mo Jimmy to me in reason. Ghana with another country. Are we there kind of DJs that play Nigerian music? You know if you play Nigerian music, if they talk, some DJ go fit tell you say in this, in that, in so Nigeria give $100, somebody give them $200. Ghana artists they know they give. Ghana artists don't give anybody. Ghana artists if you believe in your me, I believe in my talent. That's why I don't give anybody to say. Me mama to say. Somebody me mama to say. They me mama no radio so no. And come in the back Bloomba DJ, na makoma Bloomba, na mako Apple, na makoma Apple, na mako briefcase, na makoma briefcase, na mako blow, na mako and come sa ni amano. Ni muti say we me show us here. Don't come and fool with man. I get what I'm saying. Make people not come play with man. Make people not come play with man. Make people not come play with man. You understand me? Man no fucking need those kinda. I think square. Charlie, man, it be work we can do. You know, be award we can collect. Because say you ever hear somebody take award by house before? You ever hear that thing before? It's prestige, it's fine. You understand me? To be recognized internationally is normal. But me, Shatawali, I won't fight for that thing. I will fight for money. Ghetto youth, fight for money. Me are telling people something. The world inside we come, It is perception where they take create the world. And if you don't understand that thing for your life, my guy, you go so far. Don't listen, man. Man be liar. Listen yourself. What yourself they tell you. Listen your inside. Don't listen, man. I say, man be liar. Listen yourself. What your inside they tell you. Bad man. Don't fuck up like that. I don't go lie you. Don't let us fool like that. Don't let us fool like that. It's absurd. Like, nigga, like it's a shame. You understand me? So you have to now. Ghana musicians know if you make money. It's a shame. So up to now, we don't even get labels for Ghana. It's a shame. So Nana Pia can do label. All the industry they fight Nana Pia. Anybody will fight Nana Pia. Anybody will say Nana Pia be this. Anybody will say Nana Pia be that. Today your results be that. Today that be your results. Today you put your results with this. Kwasia, we get investor where he won't put money for artists them inside. They find way. Say the guy they do fraud. Ghana. You could just share and go can do yawa of the yawa of the day. They say now what? Wait, take people their money. Then you are laughing. Totomi. We come there say government for do. Government for do. Government for do. Government for do what? If I be government, I go just stop. You see the way Corona come, we know the place. I like them. Government for stop that. We for stop that nonsense for this country. Make every entertainment person, idiot construction. Some people be carpenters. So yeah. We don't like music. If they want play music, they play a sorry. Because the thing, nobody's working with it for it to work. Nobody's making it happen. Because everybody, they see everybody some way. And you know, be say it be the industry problem. That is how we grew up. That is how we fucking grew up. We grew up with timidity, fear. Don't do. That's how we grew up. Bad man. You ever see Nigeria man in Peking before? He get confidence rough. Don't do that. We no get them. That be not how we. That not be how we grow. We no grow like that. Don't make anybody lie to you. We grew up with timidity and fear. That's why me, I come out that thing for myself. Trust me, me are the American picking. Me are the gangster. I tell you, make nobody. Make nobody. Me I like play. Oh, you understand me? I like play. But see, when I enter my gangster mood, inside, I swear everything. Forget everybody. If you only God that they watch, cause yeah, why? If you food where somebody go take do me, we are now. Me We as we the work, say we don't want chop. Me, I know this my stomach. Me, I don't want chop. Me, I don't want chop. I want pile money. I want pile money. So you did the way you take your stomach, you work there. If you way they go, they use you by left and right. But man, we hustle. We hustle. You understand me? Everybody we know me and we see me house. You know, see me house. I get what I'm saying. So you can't just come there and come in. They talk some bullshit around artists. Don't come and do that. Don't come and do that. It's a disgrace if as this thing comes here. And they watch the blogs and things and comments and things. Some people are even happy. You are Ghanaian and you are happy that your brother Ghanaian has fallen. You will never see prosperity. You will never see rich. You will never see. You will never see the thing where you ask God say for see. Charlie, most of you where they go church or as well, you know go see that thing where you want to see because you see the mindset. Ghana, you see the mindset. If people see me, that they wonder how shatter they say, no, you don't know, cry. The bad one. Me, the work at the work, when my things are they do, you know if you understand me. If I ask my boys, they go tell you. Ask my boys, they go tell you. They know if you understand me. Because I live my life in a certain way because I want to achieve, make people around me get some chop. Nobody can deter with this nonsense. Say Ghana artists, they know they travel Ghana artists and Ghana artists to the sit down. It's bullshit, my nigga. It's bullshit. It's bullshit. Some of us we they make it, you know, we have them, but we don't give. Forget. Make a like what I go take do video to impress Ghana music industry. Where I go do the video. Me, I go do gringo video. Say they complain. Say it be movie. They put me for inside. It be this, it be that. Bad man. What I go waste? Take do that thing. I go take buy house. And any musician where they talk to right now, where they listen. When you get money buy house, so don't watch the industry. Don't say you want to go do some video impress somebody. If you get in front, stand there and do them. Sizzler them, they do them. They did international. Sizzler Kalanji them and they did it. Sizzler Kalanji, they did it. If you shoot video over them, I get in front, save the song they go. Because them are there. You see, Ghana, the problem we have for Ghana, we see, America, nobody they do nonsense for them. Because if you go talk, Yawa of the day, like, Batman, America no play land, though. Jamaica, they say, so no play land, though. If you do, they go kill you. Ghana, yanya be a fella, who to me can't be answering now, be a then if it's gang. You know what's gang? You know what gang means? You know what gang means? My nigga, not be easy like that for outside there. Don't play. Don't play. I got Haiti niggas. I got Turkish niggas. I got Kali niggas. I got niggas. They did some place. They suffer. They everything they take do fun. They just say we don't see some things online. We don't go thank God. Say God make this country peaceful. Wait for if you control this country. You did that. If you can talk somebody matter there. Yeah, yes. That boy sometimes make Jimmy Mamon because me Jimmy. And tell me, yeah, now shut up. Because that's the country we live in, my nigga. Trust me. We tell when I say they want to do music, forget it. I don't go lie. Nobody force me say make I can't do music. If people do, we did, and we go see. Maybe they do. Make I hear say somebody go talk say and shatter the thing can't talk. You know they understand because why shatter they can't talk? Make I meet you for town. Me bua my police station. Bua, mo che.